Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English. Let's start step by step. We begin by saying, "Hello everyone," or "Good morning, sir or ma'am." This is a polite way to start talking. Next, tell your name. My name is Aisha Khan. You can use your real name here. Now tell where you live. I live in Karachi, Pakistan. Say the name of your city and country. Then, talk about your education. I have completed my master's degree in Karachi.
Now, share your work experience. I have 1 year of teaching experience. You can change it according to your own field or job. Tell a little about your family. There are 5 members in my family, my parents, 2 siblings and me. Now tell what you enjoy doing in your free time. My hobby is reading books and learning new things. I am 23 years old. It is optional. You can skip it if you want. Talk about your good qualities. I am honest, hardworking, and always try to improve myself. Finally, tell about your goal in life. My goal is to become a good teacher and help students learn better. Here you can say what you want to become or achieve. That's how you can introduce yourself in a simple and confident way. Follow these steps and introduce yourself in English like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English learning videos. Goodbye. See you in the next video.